Nchirayo boikira Nyamira County ya Nyamira nigo amameranio hechigosori kyo kwegiagendrete sensemo iyo yenyareko bakoreta babwatani sector yechisemi gati yabo chiskuru chiri choboroso nabo igo chiskuru chiri ya secondary
amameranio yo ni akorekana skuru ya bamurayi ya Kebirigo nabo igo skuru ya bamurayi ya Nyamira boys ichonsi gotoka sebunge ya West Mugrango okwana litkoria lero chinga kikirana skuru ya Kebirigo muchumbo West Mugrango Steve Mogaka nigago kerega tamkerekyo amboye nabo igo ababwatani bonsi nakugania okobwatrana nabo igo kwenekia omurembe no botorero gwikachigosori echo cyabere chigo ikomero asaburirie aboroki wabo bakogosori asamamirania yo kwenekia bunangu bekabari omukya na korokia machibwa maya.
I want to challenge us to take life seriously. For us learners, this is a God-given opportunity to become the very best you can, because God made you as the best child at the time you were created or born. And because you are all made in the image of God, please don't let God down, because God is the best and made you the best. You are better emerge the best in everything you do, in everything you say. And when at the end of the program we get the winners and the rankings, that is not the end of life. Because I've already challenged you, and I want to thank the leadership of the drama festival in the region and in the country. Please give it time for these children. Let us make them the best that they can ever be. Yeah? I want, as I say, to challenge us to make sure that those who are performing here today, in a few years to come, should be starring in the top movies that are watched all over the world.